to adjust edge lighting duration in Samsung Galaxy S10. Open Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the apps screen. Tap Settings. Tap Display. Scroll down. Tap Edge Screen. Tap Edge Panels. Enable edge lighting, tap switch until blue. Tap edge lighting style. Tap duration. Drag duration line to the right too long, or drag to the left too short. Tap Done. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.